It's a motion on the need to undertake an urgent repair of the Ogara-Mosoga Bridge to forestall imminent collapse. This motion is co-sponsored by Honorable Godwin Ndudi Elubelu, Honorable Nicholas Osai, Honorable Ife Afe, Honorable Francis Waive, and Honorable Thomas Erietomi. The House knows that the Ogara-Mosoga Bridge, situated at Etiop West Local Government of Delta State, is the major route from Benin, Ogara, Sapele, Warri axis linking to the popular East-West Road from Warri. It is an iconic link between Ogara, Benin, Mosoga, Warri, Asaba, and even Lagos. Informed that the present state of the Ogara-Mosoga Bridge is one that requires urgent attention, as the bridge has visibly seen cracks and structural damages, including the expansion joints on the bridge. Aware that the dilapidated state of the bridge has claimed many lives, including that of 5 public school principals, Air Force chief, and others due to failed portion of the road. Disturbed that it is disheartening that for months this bridge has almost divided, but no one seems to care, even as millions of people ply the bridge on a daily basis, and through the special intervention from God, they pass safely. Cognizant that this federal road has been a safe haven for commuters over the years, as various commercial companies, government officials, and private individuals have plied this bridge without hitch. Believes that as heavy-duty vehicles, commercial buses, cars, and tricycles pass through the bridge on a daily basis, even on its current state, there is palpable fear that there is a matter of time before the bridge finally collapses. Concerned that many commuters have reported that the Ogara-Mosoga Bridge is vibrating noticeably, as the seemingly shaky joint poses serious structural danger to the bridge, to the effect that it is very unsafe to use the bridge as it is now, therefore indicating that the integrity of the bridge is no longer intact. Alarmed that if the visibly shaken bridge and structural damages, including the expansion joints of the bridge, are not repaired immediately, which especially this dry season, the entire South-South Midwest zone, which the Ogara Bridge connects, will be cut off from other parts of the country and will occasion several deaths and accidents on curious commuters using the bridge in its present dilapidated state, especially strangers. Worried that if the test on the expansion joint, otherwise called static and dynamic load test, is carried out to check the functionality of the bridge, it will show that a number of expansion joints are due for replacement. In fact, the expansion joints to be replaced are part of a regular bridge maintenance that has been neglected for decades. Resolved to mandate the Federal Ministry of Works and the Federal Road Maintenance Agency to undertake urgent repairs and maintenance of the Ogara-Mosoga Bridge to forestall imminent collapse, which will cost more in such situation. Or the Federal Road Safety Corps to deploy its personnel to Ogara-Mosoga Bridge to ensure that the safe use of the dilapidated bridge pending the intervention of the relevant government agency. Or the Nigerian police to provide adequate security in the affected area of the bridge to avoid hoodlums cashing in on the situation to harass youth users. Direct the House Committee on Works to ensure timely compliance of this request, Mr. Speaker. I beg to move.
If we have a seconder, we'll go ahead to put the question. Seconder, yes, leader.
And I represent the good people of Anyocha Oshimili Federal Constituency. I'm proudly from Delta State. I rise to second the motion ably moved by my brother and my colleague, Honorable Bernard Ibapa. I so second.
As earlier explained, this is an infrastructure-related motion, so I now put the question. Those in favor of the motion say aye. Those against say nay. That's have it. Motion referred to the relevant committees of the House for compliance. Thank you. Yes, sir.